For my cooking project, I'm making 2 Thai dishes, a Penang curry and a pad Thai. Starting with the curry, I've measured out all my ingredients, and the first step is to dice my onion. Once I diced and measured out the onion, the next step was to wash and cut up the peppers. Minced my garlic and started heating up the pan. Added the coconut oil to the pan and started sauteing my onions. I added a frozen galangal, which is similar to ginger root, and a lemongrass paste for extra flavor. I started to cook the 2 chopped up peppers and added the garlic before letting it all cook in the pan. So that your raw chicken can cook separately, push your veggie mix to one side of the pan. After a few minutes, the chicken is pretty thoroughly cooked, and I can combine everything together. Again, you're going to push everything in the pan to one side. And add some more coconut oil. The next step is to let your Penang or red curry paste fry in the coconut oil for a few minutes, allowing lots of flavor to transfer into the oil. Once everything is combined, I added fish sauce, peanut butter, nutmeg, and some brown sugar, and my favorite, the lime leaves. The coconut milk is obviously very important because it's the base of the curry. And let that simmer. The extra flavor ingredient I'm adding here is Thai basil. And I made rice to have the curry on. Now for the pad Thai, I started by making my sauce, which is fish sauce, tamarind paste, brown sugar, and a juiced lime. I have my eggs here ready to be fried up. I chopped up my coriander, chives, and chili peppers. And now to cook the rice noodles. With olive oil on a hot pan, I started cooking my shrimp and chicken. Pretty self-explanatory, just starting to cook everything together. I added in the scrambled egg and the rice noodles, which wasn't the easiest to mix around, but it was a challenge. The last step is just to add in the sauce we mixed together earlier and to cook the pad thai all together, and we're done. These are the final dishes. They turned out really well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.